This Zerillo Realty property video is presented by Ullisses Alonzo. Set in a serene environment complete with a pond, pool, and tennis courts. Here's an excellent opportunity to own a completely remodeled split-style first-floor condo. This unit offers 2 generously sized bedrooms complete with walk-in closets and 2 full baths. The property features laminate flooring, newer private patio doors, newer windows, central air, granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Located just minutes from public transportation, expressways and shopping. Also included is an indoor attached garage parking spot and a secure storage space. For more information, review the details below or contact Ullisses Alonzo at 708-583-8300.